Before buying an ice roller, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all ice rollers are created equal, and today I'll help you find the one that can actually tackle puffiness, redness, and those pesky wrinkles.
Product number 1, Bei Mei Icy Me Gua Sha and Jade Roller Set. The Bei Mei Icy Me Gua Sha and Jade Roller Set, priced at just $7.99. What caught my eye here is the combination of the jade roller and gua sha tool, perfect for anyone looking to depuff and sculpt their face. If you want a refreshing skincare experience, this is worth a serious look. This set offers a cooling puffiness relief that's easy to use. By chilling the jade roller, you'll get a naturally cool sensation that refreshes your skin and reduces tension. The roller glides smoothly, allowing you to apply it over your favorite serums or oils, which helps with absorption. It's designed for all skin types and provides a quick facial massage that can even improve fine lines. With over 10,000 units sold this month, it's clearly making waves. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's affordable yet effective, making it accessible for anyone wanting to improve their skincare routine. Now, some people complained about the jade roller being a bit small for their hands. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight and easy to control, making it user-friendly even for beginners. So while it might feel small, its size actually enhances precision. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a gentle and relaxing way to enhance your skincare routine. Skip this one if you want an electric option that requires less manual effort. For under $8, it's a steal for a beauty tool that can elevate your self-care. Now, if you're looking for something that's a bit more high-tech, the next option might catch your interest.
Product number 2, Fronor Ice Roller for Face. The Fronor Ice Roller for Face, priced at $7.98. This one immediately grabbed my attention because it promises a soothing spa-like experience right at home. If you're searching for something to quickly combat puffiness and redness, this deserves your attention. What's great about this roller is its cooling effect, which minimizes the appearance of pores and helps promote circulation. That means it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It's specifically designed to soothe tired eyes and reduce dark circles, which is exactly what you need after a long day. With its smooth, gliding touch, you can use it with creams or oils for better absorption. And did I mention it's quiet? You can roll away in peace without any distracting noises, perfect for a late-night pamper session. However, some users mention that it takes a bit longer to feel the cooling effect compared to other products, but honestly, it's worth the wait, especially for the comfort it provides. If you're patient and looking for a gentle massage, this one hits the mark. This is perfect for you if you enjoy at-home spa treatments and want to boost your skincare routine without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're in a hurry and want instant results. For under $8, it's a great addition to your skincare toolkit. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility in their skincare.
Product number 3, Bei Mei Icy Me Ice Roller and Gua Sha Tool Set. The Bei Mei Icy Me Ice Roller and Gua Sha Tool Set comes in at $7.99. This caught my eye because it combines two essential tools for tackling puffiness and revitalizing your skin. If you're all about convenience and effectiveness, you'll want to hear this. This ice roller is designed to provide lasting coolness, perfect for waking you up and reducing that morning puffiness. Plus, the gua sha tool helps improve fine lines while also shaping your jawline, which can be a game changer if you're looking for defined features. You can use it on your face and neck, making it suitable for all skin types. The ease of bringing these tools together makes your skincare routine quick and effective. Just freeze it for 30 minutes and you're ready to go. However, a few users reported that the color may vary and they received unexpected shades. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on the benefits rather than aesthetics, this shouldn't deter you. You're getting a dual-purpose set at an incredible price. This is perfect for you if you love multitasking tools that fit seamlessly into your routine. Skip this if you want a more traditional roller without the gua sha element. For under $8, it's a fantastic deal for the benefits it offers. Now, if you want something a bit more premium for your self-care, the next product could be just what you need. Product number 4, Li Shine Ice Ruler Set, retailing for $11.39. What sets this apart is the included travel case, which makes it super portable. If you're someone who travels a lot but still wants to care for your skin, listen up. This roller set comes with 2 different shapes, ideal for both facial skincare and muscle recovery. It's designed to calm your skin and shrink pores, while also being lightweight and easy to use. The cooling massager works quietly, which is great for those moments when you just want to relax.
Plus, if you pair it with your favorite skincare products, it boosts absorption significantly, making sure you get the most out of your serums and masks. One downside I noticed is that it might feel a bit bulkier compared to others during travel, but honestly, this added bulk means added effectiveness and versatility, so it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive set that you can use at home and on the go. Skip this if you prefer a more basic roller that doesn't come with extra features. At around $11, it's a solid investment for serious skincare enthusiasts. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which is a bit pricier but packs some serious benefits.
Product number 5, Aurora Ice Roller for Face and Eye, priced at $18.99. This one caught my attention because it's designed for both facial and eye care, perfect for those looking to tackle multiple concerns. If you want something that really targets puffiness and redness, you'll want to hear about this. What I love about this roller is its versatility. It's great for pre-makeup application to eliminate facial dropsy and can even help calm skin after sun exposure. The manual power source means you have full control, allowing you to massage at your own pace. It's specifically designed to relieve fatigue around the eyes and temples, which can be a lifesaver after a long day. However, there are some complaints about it being a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, the heftiness actually provides a more substantial feel and better pressure during use, which many people might appreciate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a targeted solution to facial issues, especially if you deal with redness and puffiness regularly. Skip this if you want something lightweight and easy to travel with. For under $20, it's a worthwhile investment in your skincare arsenal. To wrap things up, we've explored some fantastic options from the Beme Icy Me sets for budget-conscious buyers to the more premium Aurora roller for those who want targeted relief. Each has its strengths and is perfect depending on your specific needs. Whatever you choose, these ice rollers can definitely help you achieve that refreshed and revitalized look you're aiming for.